A society grows great when old men plant trees under whose shade they know they shall never sit. Schools are incubators of a society's future citizens. Arvachin International School is one of the few educational institutions of India which strives to mold its students into global Indians. The school has a vision for the future, a future where distances between Delhi and New York, Mumbai and Tokyo, Kolkata and London would be of no consequence. Situated at Dilshad Garden, the school has been providing world-class education to the students of Delhi.
We at Arvachin International School do our best to provide quality education to our students. By quality education, I mean helping or enabling our children to be problem solvers, to be collaborators, and to be creators of new ideas in the 21st century. Success is not getting 95% in their academics. It's not only about making money. It is just being happy in life and loving what one is capable of doing. When our children grow up, they will not walk around with their certificates or medals around their necks, but they do carry along with them the confidence, the communication skills, the values, and all the good things that they have learned in school.
The students of Arvachin International have participated and excelled during several national and international interactions and competitions across the world. It is a school with truly international credentials. Education with a vision is the aim of Arvachin International. Cultural and traditional values are nurtured even when students engage in cross-cultural learning of the highest international standards. The Arvachin Shiksha Samiti was established in 1965 by Shri Srinivas Sharma. This was the vision of late Shri Srinivas Sharma, teacher founder of the Arvachin schools, himself a school teacher. In those days, there were very few schools in the area. Since then, it has grown with schools at Dilshad Garden, Vivek Vihar, Ghaziabad, and new schools and colleges coming up in the National Capital Region. Arvachin International School launched on 5th April 2003. It is run by a professional management presided over by Shri Arun Sharma, a dynamic educationist and visionary. Shri Sharma maintains his main aim not just to provide world-class education, but also to create good human beings and responsible citizens.
अर्वाचीन स्कूल का उदय 1960 में बलबीर नगर में जब हुआ तो सिर्फ 19 बच्चों के साथ ये नाम दिया गया स्कूल को, और 1965 में विधिवत रूप में वो स्कूल शुरू हुआ, जिसको मान्यता भी मिली और सहायता भी मिली सरकार से। और वो एक पौधा आज एक वट वृक्ष के रूप में सामने है, जिसमें बहुत सारी शाखाएं फूट चुकी हैं। आज हम उस नवीनता की नवीनतम स्थिति में पहुंच चुके हैं कि ये स्कूल अपनी सोच की पराकाष्ठा पर है, जो इस समय की सोच है। आज इस स्थिति में पहुंचे हैं कि हम किसी भी तरह के राष्ट्रीय और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सभी तरह के मानकों को पूरा करते हुए हम एक अच्छी शिक्षा देने की स्थिति में हैं। हम लोग जब अच्छी शिक्षा की बात करते हैं तो सभी स्तर पर, क्योंकि विद्यालय में अगर बच्चे का सर्वांगीण विकास यानी ऑलराउंड डेवलपमेंट अगर है तभी वो अच्छी शिक्षा है। सिर्फ शिक्षा ही शिक्षा नहीं है। और हमें बड़ी खुशी हुई जब CBSE ने हमें इस लायक भी समझा कि हमें हमारे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को उन्होंने रिकॉग्नाइज किया और हमें सिलेक्ट किया उन देश के पहले 50 स्कूलों में जिनमें वो करिकुलम इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया।
Almost since the school's inception, Academic Director Mrs. Sandra Swaroop, a brilliant educationist and administrator, has charted the course of the school to reach high standards of educational excellence.
The vision that we had as far as Arvachin International School is concerned is to produce global citizens, Indian global citizens, citizens that would hold their own anywhere in the world. It is a high-tech institution into which we introduced many technical innovations. However, in Arvachan International School, we believed that children learn languages from the ages of 1 to 6, the very best. That's how they learn their mother tongue, through listening and through responding and repeating. Well, we introduced Japanese and French in class 1, and that too has proved to be a very successful experiment. The children enjoy speaking in these foreign languages, and it will hold them in good stead once they pass out and are able to interact on the world stage. One very important facet of the CBSE curriculum is that it gives its students the choice to study abroad. And this is very important in putting them on par with their international counterparts. Our children have been traveling to Japan for the last 4 years and have come back motivated and inspired to study in Japan.
The Play School section is a great place for young toddlers who learn through the Playway method. Toy teaching aids and motherly care makes the child's first day in school a joyful experience. Nelson Mandela, he said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Arvachan International has consistently striven to achieve world-class education. Being one of the first EduComp schools of Delhi, it has state-of-the-art computer-enabled infrastructure along with internet connectivity for teachers. From having some of the best foreign language courses over the years, now the school has adopted the path-breaking CBSE international curriculum. Few of the schools in India have converted to international curriculum, which entitles the students benefits of the international credit system. CBSE student can seek admission at the same level anywhere in the world, including Europe and America. Admissions into foreign universities will be much easier for CBSE students. Given the international level education they receive, these students would easily excel in various national entrance exams as well. The school has state-of-the-art facilities including an internet network linking the classrooms. This facilitates computer-aided learning as each classroom is EduComp enabled with multimedia facilities like projectors, speakers, touchscreens and Promethean boards, which makes learning an exciting experience. Interactive teaching software used in the school includes Hey Maths, English Helper, and the school owns e-library as well. The science education infrastructure includes well-equipped chemistry, physics, biology, and mathematics labs. The school has excellent library facilities. Students can read books on a wide range of subjects and topics and refer to dictionaries and encyclopedias. It is equipped with computers so that students can access online e-books. The library also has a large stock of e-books. The school's computer lab is a matter of pride for the students as well as the teachers. The students enhance their knowledge of computer sciences and applications during the practical sessions under the guidance of a highly trained faculty of teachers. There is another computer lab for primary students. Here, the young ones get acquainted to the use of computers and different softwares. The school also has a social sciences laboratory that helps students understand concepts through models and practical activities. Several teams of students have participated in training camps organized by NASA in the United States.
1-0. We have liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket.
Extracurricular activities include dance. Students learn Indian music, Western vocal, and instrumental music, an astronomy club, and have been participating in various competitions across the country. The school has an excellent cricket academy and has earned national recognition in netball. Other sports include table tennis, badminton, karate, handball, throwball, skating, kho-kho and athletics. The school has won gold medals at the national level in netball. Arvachin international teams have played at the zonal level in table tennis and throwball. The management's commitment to an eco-friendly environment includes the use of solar energy, water harvesting, and the maintenance of a herbal garden. The school also has an environment club for students. The school has a drinking water purification plant of its own. Other facilities include a canteen providing nutritious foods and refreshment to students. First aid facilities include a well-equipped medical room with a dedicated full-time nurse and other paramedical staff. The transport facility provided by the school connects different routes across the capital. The students' motto at Arvachin is "Be the change."
ये 9 साल का सफ़र बहुत ही अच्छा अनुभव रहा और सभी ने आनंद लिया इसको करने में, क्योंकि हर रोज एक नई चीज़, हर रोज एक नया अध्याय साथ में जुड़ता था, हर रोज एक नया अनुभव साथ में जुड़ता था। बहुत अच्छा लगता था जब भी कुछ नया करने को मिलता था। एक पूरा सर्वांगीण विकास करते हुए एक ऑलराउंड डेवलप्ड स्टूडेंट हम लोग तैयार कर पा रहे हैं।
Arvachin International has ambitious future plans for another higher secondary school and a global business school, which are coming up at Pilkhua, Hapur.
हायर एजुकेशन के लिए बहुत सीरियसली इस साल सोचा गया और ये मन में आया कि एक पूरी लगन के साथ एक ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूशन खड़ा करना चाहते हैं कि जिसको हम एक पूर्ण अंतरराष्ट्रीय बिजनेस स्कूल कह सकें। इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर खड़ा करना बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं होती है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कोई भी किसी भी स्तर का खड़ा कर सकता है, लेकिन उसमें पढ़ाई भी ऐसी ही हो, उसमें जो फैकल्टीज़ हैं ख़ास तौर से वो इस स्तर की हों कि जो एक ऐसा विद्यार्थी तैयार कर सकें, ऐसा मैनेजर तैयार कर सकें जो वर्ल्ड में कहीं भी जा कर के, किसी भी क्षेत्र में जा कर के ये स्थापित करे कि हाँ मैं एक अच्छा मैनेजर हूँ।
Arvachin International, where global Indians take their first strides.